Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, this is the first video in our new series, and in case you're wondering what that series is about and you missed the title of the video, we are going to do a maritime theme, right? So boats, sails, hoisting blocks, steering wheels, all that kind of stuff. And the steering wheel is what we're going to start with today, right? So we're gonna go and grab a, what are we gonna grab? We're gonna grab a polygon pipe. So we're gonna go to create, we're gonna go to polygon primitives, let's go to pipe, it's down here. We're gonna hit R, we're gonna scale that out quite a bit. Bring that in. I want that inner diameter to be wider. So we're gonna go to vertex and I'm gonna drag, select that. We're going to scale that out to about there, I would say, maybe a bit more, like so. Then we are flaring out, as you can see here, which is fine. We're going to take the overall shape and we're going to flatten that out to about there. Looks good to me. Then what we're going to do is we're going to insert edge loop. Let's set that to 2. And we'll do 2 here and 2 there. Hit Q on the keyboard. Then we're going to go in here to face. Select that row and shift select that row. We're going to extrude. Let's hit R and let's flare that out like so. Let's hit 3 to preview smooth. Get something looking like that. If you want the edges to be a bit more crisp, we'll hit 1. And we'll go in here and we'll go to edge. Double click, double click. A bit too fast there, that's right. That's 1, 2, 3. We're going to bevel, and of course he didn't take the last one. That's better, that looks good. Let's go and hit 3 and you'll get something looking like this. Okay, I like that. So we're going to go to mesh and smooth to actually smooth. 1's fine, select it, hit 1, there you go. So we got the outer ring. Okay, now we need to have a centerpiece and we need to, let's see, we need spacing for the blocks here and just thinking out loud. All right, so yeah, what are we going to do next? We're going to start with the handles on the outside, right? So we're going to grab a polygon cylinder. We're going to hit E, we're going to hit J, we're going to flip it, hit W, push that out, after frame. This needs to come down a lot, all right? So we're going to hit R, we're going to scale that down a lot. W to move, F to frame, and that needs to be able to sit there, and it does, right? Okay, cool. So then we're going to go in here to face mode, and actually what I can do to clean this up a little bit, we don't need these faces on the inside, so we're going to right click to the face, tab key, get rid of these. Push that back, there you go. Then we're going to go to face, we're going to select these. Just pull that out. Let's look at the overall length. that can be a bit more, let's say to there, right? After frame. So what we're going to do next is we're going to insert edge loop. Let's do 8. Put them in like so. Q on the keyboard, right click vertex. Then what we're going to do is we're going to grab these. Pull that up. We'll grab these. Pull that up. To about the same dimension. Grab this. And we can't really go far with that, so we'll grab this. We'll push that in. Let's see what that will look like when we smooth it. Very nice, right? And yeah, let's see. What we're going to do to add a little definition to it is we're going to grab a polygon cube. Hit W, move that out. Or to scale that down. After frame. Scale it down some more. Go to face mode. Get rid of that interface. Hit W, bring that in. We're going to go to edge mode. We're going to bevel 0.1. Then we're going to take this guy and let's see if that looks a bit better. I think it does, yeah. So we got that. Yeah, what else? What we're going to do is we're going to combine these, mesh and combine. Hit the insert key, hold on X, snap it to the center. Come on. Start to move it and then snap it. Hit the insert key again. We are going to hit Control D to duplicate. Either rotate, hold on J. Let me try that again. Hold on J. Yeah. Shift D, Shift D. We're going to work our way around. So we got all of that. All right. Now we need to have a center section, and that center section is going to be a cylinder. And let's look at the overall diameter. Something like this, definitely not more. We need to address the thickness. It can be a bit more, but don't go crazy. All right. You can add some detailing here if you like. Go to edge. Hit bevel. Let's do that. That's fine. Then we're going to insert edge loop, and we'll do 2 there, 2 there. Q on the keyboard. Click these faces. Extrude 0.1. Hit 3 to preview smooth, and we'll get something like this. Let's go to mesh and smooth to actually smooth. There you go. Then we want blocks again. So let's just grab a new cube. All right, so we're going to hit W, we're going to move that out. After frame, let's make it a lot thinner. And again, we're going to get rid of that back face. And W, move that in like so. Then we're going to control D to duplicate, E to rotate, hold down J, flip it around, hit W, move that this end. That's looking fine. Then we need to grab a cylinder, hit E to rotate, hold on J, flip it on its side, W to move, and there you go. We're gonna go and select all the faces, and then shift select this, and then delete. So we deleted the end caps. We're gonna hit R, we're gonna scale this down. W to move, F to frame. That can be a bit bigger. We're gonna grab this guy, we're gonna flare it out a little bit. This guy looks way off for some reason. Don't know what happened there, but we'll sort that in a minute. Okay, then we're going to go to Edge, Control E, W, straight forward. Then we're going to grab this guy, Control D to duplicate, E to rotate, hold on J, flip it around, W to move. And we'll go to vertex mode, push it back a little, and then we're going to go to edge mode, extrude, W to move forward, flare it back in. That's that. Then we're going to insert edge loop again. Let's do 5. There you go. Q on the keyboard. We'll go to vertex, drag and drag and drag. Hit R, scale that down quite a bit, and then pull them out like so. And then go and hit 3. Hit 1 to go back. We can do a little bit better than that. 1, 2, and 3. That looks pretty good. All right. Okay, so we got that. So we're going to take this and this and this. We're going to go to mesh and combine. Then we're going to jump to our top view. Hit the insert key again. Hold down X. Snap it to the center. Hit the insert key again. Control D to duplicate. E to rotate. Hold on J. And then hit Shift D as you go around. So we'll get that. We're not there yet. What we're going to do next is we are going to, let's see, what are we going to do? We're going to take a torus. And we're going to scale this guy out. Open up the attribute editor. Let's see, where are we at? Right here. Height baseline, radius, section radius 0.02. That's a bit bigger. All right, then we're going to hit R. We're going to flare that in. Let's have a closer look. I'm going to flare it out like this. Hit 3 to preview smooth. That looks good. Mesh and smooth. And yeah, we need to get rid of the back of this guy, right? So I don't want to make the video too long, so we'll skip it, but be aware that you need to do that, right? So let me smooth this over one more time. So here you're going to go and take out the back and clean that up and get rid of faces you don't need and whatnot, right? Just to be clear on that. Okay, we're going to go to the center here. Let's take a sphere. That looks pretty cool. So it's actually on both ends. So what we're going to do there is we're going to go in here. We're going to hit 4 for wireframe mode. And then we're going to go to face, drag select, shift dot or shift period, shift point, you know what I mean, right? And delete. That looks good. So this is what we have so far. Just thinking whether we need to add anything else, but to be honest, I don't think so, right? So we're gonna select all of this. We're gonna go to mesh and combine. Let's hit E to rotate, hold on J, flip it upright, like so. And then we're gonna have a look from all angles. So here, 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 and here. All right, that's it for our shipping wheel, turning wheel, steering wheel, I don't know what it's called. And yeah, I would like to invite you to send me requests for anything that is related to boating, yachting, maritime, that kind of thing. Like I said, hoisting blocks, ropes, sails, anything like that, right? So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments if you did. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.